Welcome, this is Lauren with a quick update. Life with Gus, the good, the bad, and the ridiculous. Love this dog. Look at this. And then I got this guy here. So Gus, I don't know why you're more obsessed with... Oh my God. Gus! You're the one who slid out. You're making so much fuss for no reason. You're alright. You're alright. You're not... You're okay. Yeah, you've been trying to get that attention this whole time. Look at you. You're wriggling still. Look at you. You just wanted attention, you little dramatic dog. Rolled around in some nice dirt. You found a way. Found a way to make it happen, didn't you? Swear this dog. Found a way to make it happen. This guy found a way to get himself on the ground because he doesn't like being carried, but he has... Yeah, that's what happens when you just drop yourself out of someone's arms. Gus. Jeez. So anyway, I took him to the vet yesterday for vaccines, and he can't be on the ground. All right, buddy. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? All right, let's go. Anyway, so he's been quite picky, but I want to bring him back to the main road. All right. So, are we done with the temper tantrum? We done? Because you definitely did that just so you could get onto the ground. Look at him. Baby boy. Don't worry, we will get back to the main road, and then I can actually manage to pour some water in my hand, and you can lick from that, but I can't have you on the ground, buddy. Stop doing that. All right. Yes, where are we going? We're making a left. All right. Man, the street is so covered in nice shade. If this is actually real. I'll have a dog in diapers. You can't go past here, buddy. Oh, licking and kissing is not gonna... Yeah, I see you. Oh. Rolling around outside. In the grass. You're so cute. You got some water in you. Hi, cutie. Cutie pie. Hi, cutie pie. Hi, handsome. Hi, handsome. So cute. You're so cute. You're so cute, Gus. Ah. Gus is sleeping right now and he's so cute. You're so cute. You're not gonna go and eat your towel? You've been chewing it up this whole time. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. You look so much more comfortable now. Now we gotta get you a nice cushion. But hopefully it's at least a little bit, yeah. Oh my God, look at you and your darling self. This doesn't do you any justice. Oh, you and your little face. You're so cute. Look at you. There he is. Look at his little tummy going up and down. What are you doing? Shall we walk? Look at this boy. Look at this little hamburger boy. This little sausage of a boy. Look at you. Look at you, Gus. Having a good old time. Flipping around for the tummy rubs. Look at him, look at him. Look at him. Where's your tummy? Where's your tummy? Tummy rubs. Tummy rubs. Tummy rubs. I know. It's okay, it's just sirens. Gosh. Come on, boy. Oh, no. Go fetch it. Go fetch it. Go fetch it. Fetch it. Fetch it. Yes. Yes, Gus. Hi. Hey. Gus is a blast. From me to you. See you in the next one. Like, subscribe, notifications on.